life well spent. But Daddy, you are still living, and I can tag a life well wasted. Just like that woman who broke her alabaster box, you've broken your life at the feet of Jesus, having nothing remaining for yourself. You are one big legacy that will be left for posterity. You are more like a pendulum for so many lives, in which I am one of them. And the day you stop swinging, we start dying. When I look at you, I see Psalm 91 verse 1 in reality, because you're a product of his presence. I read the Bible and I get revelation. But you're a Bible in motion. You are the revelation I see. You have said that worship is dying. If I am to judge by that statement, Daddy, permit me to say that you're already buried, because both in the secret and in the open, you keep worshiping. Who truly are you, sir? Because I cannot truly place you on the class of humanity. You operate in a realm that is humanly abnormal, supernaturally spiritual. No wonder you're a major voice in this end-time revival. You are one who has eaten of the bread of affliction, drank from the cup of bitterness, tested so many times by the pains of betrayal, but you never saw giving up as an option for your kingdom assignment. You are living on the outside, but slain several times on the inside. Who then should question your result when your living is dying and when you have paid the price? Your messages reflect that godly image, a word that will be passed down to so many lineage. Your life is surrounded by productivity, though choked up with so many activities, but you still love God and still have time for your family. Blessed all around by the gift of men, but that has not stopped you from taking responsibilities. Inside and outside, you're a kingdom personality, known for love defined by humility. I thought humility was just a virtue, but Daddy, you've proven me wrong, because you are the personality of humility. And I don't just celebrate your spirituality alone, but also your humanity and your mentality. You have shown me the difference between a papa and a daddy. You have shown me that a papa is an office and a position, but a daddy is responsibility. Thank you so much, Daddy, for paying the debt that I couldn't pay. Oh yes, I came to this land owing academic debt, but Daddy and Mommy stepped in. They paid the debt I couldn't pay. They sent me to school. Even when someone stepped in, told Mommy, I want to handle this girl's academics, she said to her, you can go ahead. But Mommy turned to me and said, you can use that money for something else. Why I and Daddy continue to pay the fees? Because no one can train our daughter for us. What? I just died with my eyes opened. You didn't hear me. Because I was thinking that I'm just a church worker, a member, not knowing I have been adopted. Thank you so much, Daddy, for saying yes to the call of God. Thank you for accepting to come to Awuchi and fathering people like us. I am so happy to be a member of this lineage. I am very proud to be called a daughter. And if you are here, you are proud like me to be a member of this lineage. Rise to your feet and celebrate. Celebrate. Happy birthday to you, Dad. Greater grace to your new age.